Welcome, fashion enthusiasts! Today's topic is one that will elevate your style: perfect layering tops. These are the unsung heroes that transform outfits, making them versatile for any event. So, ready to explore the magic of perfect layering tops? Stay tuned! Choosing the right layering top is an art. It's about balancing comfort, style, and versatility. The fabric is key. Soft, breathable materials like cotton or linen are ideal. Next, consider the fit. It should be just right, not too tight nor too loose. Color is crucial too. It can set the tone of your entire outfit. And don't forget the neckline. A versatile neckline can switch your look from casual to formal in an instant. Remember, the right layering top can make or break your ensemble. Choose wisely. Now that you know how to choose a layering top, let's talk about how to style it. Begin by pairing your layering top with different types of clothing. A chic jacket, a cozy cardigan, or even a statement accessory can elevate your look. Layering tops also play a crucial role in creating silhouettes. Whether you're going for a sleek fitted look or a relaxed, loose vibe, the right layering top can make all the difference. With these styling tips, you can create endless fashionable looks with just a few layering tops. To help you get started, here are some top picks for layering tops that every fashion enthusiast should have. First off, a classic white tee. It's versatile and pairs with virtually everything. Next, a turtleneck, perfect for colder months, adding depth and warmth. Lastly, a chambray shirt. Its lightweight fabric makes it ideal for layering without adding bulk. These are the perfect trifecta for layering, offering style, comfort, and versatility. With these layering tops in your wardrobe, you'll be ready for any fashion challenge that comes your way. And that's a wrap on perfect layering tops. We've explored their significance, the art of selection, styling hacks, and our top picks. If this resonated with you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Until next time, stay stylish.